What's up? Welcome to another video. Today I wanted to show you how to use the app Story Art. Well, for the quick story, I've discovered Story Art not a long time ago and they reached out to me on Instagram saying they wanted to collab, and you guys know how I love new apps and especially apps that are related to Instagram and Instagram stories. So this is pretty awesome, and today I wanted to share this app with you guys. There are tons of things that you can do on the app and I am going to show you every single one of them, and I believe it will be awesome to share with you some of the templates that I use and how I use the app. So let's get started. You can find the app on Google Play. The name on the app will be Story Art, and you can also find this app on App Store. The name is Artory. The app is free to download. You can use a couple of their templates for free, but if you want to have full access to the app, you will have to pay for a subscription. 1 month of using Artory aka Story Art is $3.99 a month, or if you want full access for an entire year, you will have to pay $9.99. So you might wonder, what do I get if I pay for the full access? Well, you will get 3,000 story template, 500 posts template, so the post format on Instagram. You will get 200 animated templates. I'll show you what I'm talking about. Okay, what is really cool with Story Art Artory is that they also offer you 500 highlights cover for your Instagram. So if you never knew how to design your own, or if you're still looking for highlight cover to add to your highlight stories on Instagram, they have 500 different highlight covers that you can use. This app also offers filters, video effects, about 200 fonts, and you can even add your custom fonts. If you are a business or a personal brand like me and you are using a specific fonts of specific color, you will be able to change the colors and add your custom font. So that is very cool. And of course, what this app would be without stickers, music, and transition. So now that I told you everything that the app is offering, I invite you maybe to go on the App Store or on your Google Play and go download the app for free first. So now I am going to show you exactly how I edit my own Instagram stories using the app Story Art. So as you can see, my app is here, is on my home screen because I'm using it so often. So let's go. So when you're opening the app, this is where you end up being. As I told you, you have highlight covers. This is what I wanted to show you first, so we're going to go on it, and so you have access to different kind of covers. I really like the neon cover ones. You also have chalk and summer cartoon. That's awesome. From there, if you select one of the cover that you like, you just save it to your album. And here they'll tell you how to add a highlight cover. Just follow the instructions, so help yourself. This is for you, this is made for you. Let's go back to the Discover page. So we just look at the highlight. On the top of it, you have the What's New section. So this is all the new template that just came out. You also have the popular templates. So that's the templates that are used the most by people. You will also find the animated template. That's one of my favorite features. Then you will have a couple of different templates that they show off in the Discover page. So here we have minimal, theme, scenario, fashion. This in some collection. You have animated number 2. As you can see, there's so much. Then they show off some filter and some effects. So that's awesome. Let's see them all. So you have different kind of effect, lumiere, bright, glitter, VCR, scenery, selfie filter. You guys, I wasn't kidding. You have so much that you don't even know what to use, because that's so good. This is how good it is. Then you have text, so you can create different templates like quotes. I had to close the window because there were people staring at me outside. Yep. Oh, let's keep going. So as you can see, you can go forever on the app and look at different templates. So let's go into the collection. That's pretty much the same. You can do all in looking at all the collection that Story Art Artory is offering to you. After I will show you the one that I like the most, but basically you will find something that you love. You will find something that is really you and that you can use to represent yourself in your Instagram story. They even have stuff for like businesses and, you know, different kind of animation, minimal animation, live animation. They have templates for Instagram stories. They have templates for Instagram posts. So here on the top they give you all the templates. Then this is the template that you used in the past, and here the heart will be your favorite templates. So this is the templates that are my favorites that I add on my favorite. This is the one that I like the most. Okay, so now let's create an Instagram story and I will show you one of my favorite animation templates. So the one that I like the most is the flowers animation. So I'm going to show you how I would use this one. So let's say I just only have one picture. I can use those templates. So I'm gonna use this one, and here I am going to add my photo. From here, you can choose a filter or an effect. So they have so many filters. So let's use the summer, and you can even change a little bit of the settings to make it your own. You can also add an effect to it. So far, this is how our story will look like. So if you click on that eye, it'll show you. Yay! Now we want to change that text. You can change the text. I'm gonna write day at the beach, and here you can edit text. And this is all the fonts that you can use. As I said, you have the choice between 200 fonts, or you can import your own font. So if you click on that plus button, you can choose to add a new font. So this is fonts that I downloaded from DaFont, all of that. So you can add this font and use it, and you can also change the color. You could do this and add a background. Then you choose an animation. Yay! So we are going to go into collection again, and we're going to go into film. And the one that I love to use the most is this one. So here from there, you can use a picture of yourself. Same, you can use one of their filters. There's so many. One of my favorites is this one, but for some reason with this picture it doesn't really look good. So okay, I'm gonna use that. You can animate this picture. So not the entire template will animate, but the picture inside the template will animate itself. So go in a little filming camera thing, and from here choose how you want your picture to appear on the template. I really like this one, the CCW rotation and mosaic one. Really like this one. So we're gonna use that, and this is where the stickers are coming. So you guys know about text, I already told you. I'm going to go on my letters here. Using my own font, and for the colors I'm gonna use this because that's awesome, and the background I'm gonna do this, and then I will put my text a little bit bigger. So look, you have like a gradient text, and that's really nice effect. Then stickers. So you're gonna go on that little circle, like a round circle here, and here are your stickers. So the thing that is really cool is that you can even add your own stickers on your own image. If you go on that image plus, you can add whatever picture you want. You can add your own, or you can add one of the stickers they have here. So here are some tape and washi tape, some cursor, everything that you can use to decorate if you have sales for your business. For example, I really like this one. I'm using quite a lot of that one. And you can put more than one sticker. You're not limited. So yes, that is the sticker part. You have so many little doodling stickers that you can add to your stories, so that's fun. When you're done making it, you do the same as for the animation. You go tap on Instagram story, and you will add this story directly on your Instagram, and you will be done. And we are done with Artory. Story Art, whatever device you're using. Either you're using Google Play, App Store, the app is the same, the name is changed. So thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to like it if you did. And don't forget to subscribe to never miss any of my future uploads. If you have any question about the app, let me know in the comments down below. I would be happy to answer any of your interrogations. And until next time, take care. Bye.